Hey Python developers, welcome to another DelfStack tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explore how to count characters, words, and lines in a text file using Python. This fundamental skill is essential for tasks like text analysis, data processing, and file management. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate Python programmer, this video will guide you through multiple methods to achieve accurate counts in your text files. Let's get started. Here, a simple Python function called analyze_text that takes a file path as input and counts characters, words, and lines in that file. Let's break it down step by step. The function is start by opening the file using the uWithOpenAsFile statement. This ensures the file is properly opened and closed automatically after processing. Next, we initialize counters for characters, words, and lines. Those will help us keep track of the content inside the file. We then loop through each line in the file. Each time a line is read, we increase the line count by 1. Once the file is processed, we print the results showing the character count, word count, and line count. What if the file doesn't exist? We handle this by using error try except block. Let's run the function with a simple text file called file.pxt and see the output. We have explored how to count characters, words, and lines in the text file using Python. For more tutorials, check out our related videos. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding.